Hey, when we surprised you?
Yeah, a little bit. That was a good one.
They're going to be walking into your brand new home in 2 weeks.
Words can't even begin to tell you how I feel right now.
We provide one of the most amazing things that you could ever build, which is housing, the American dream of home ownership. So the opportunity to do that for a veteran that has given so much to this country is just a phenomenal opportunity.
So on behalf of myself and the city, welcome home. Because without your service and without your sacrifice, we wouldn't have the country that we have today.
You know, one of the things that really stood out to me about you is you're an extremely humble person. You wouldn't be here to do this if it weren't for you.
Owning a home is one of the greatest things as an American you can have. And to give me the opportunity to finally have that, thank you. It doesn't seem to be enough. Are you serious? The flag was flown over the Capitol building.